What we do at AHS, well, we enjoy each other's company. And beyond that, we all work in a healthy environment. We make a positive change. We bring people together. We help our clients day in, day out, achieving a head full of hair. And I think that's important because at the end of the day, as a team, you should stand stronger. Whatever you are here to achieve, the goal should be identified. And that's the beauty of our team, that all of us know exactly what we are doing, and the objectives are quite simpler for us to understand and achieve. And thereon, we actually make an attempt to, you know, go an extra mile and do not leave any stone unturned when it comes to bringing a positive change. So I believe at Advanced Hair Studio, unlike all other traditional corporate, we really do not work as employees, and are united as business partners, where the platform is open. We agree to agree and we agree to disagree. So that's the ideology we all live with and work with, and it has helped us a lot so far. And I can say, uh, this common platform, where it is quite transparent, honest, and progressive for everybody working with the brand, that they can grow professionally, personally, and financially, and also can unveil a lot of success, where they live their aspirations and try to achieve them.